Amidst the rugged beauty of New Zealand's west coast, the Karekare Waterfalls tumble gracefully. This captivating cascade isn't just a spectacle of natural beauty, but a wellspring of mystery. In particular, rare formations of foggy veils, observed only at certain times, have intrigued many. Local Maori legends speak of these misty formations as spirits of ancient guardians, warding off intruders. Scientists have proposed theories involving meteorological phenomena, but the exact cause of these periodic mists remains unresolved. Karakare's blend of visual splendor and enigmatic allure continues to draw explorers, each eager to decipher what nature might still be concealing.